着陸いたしました。飛行機はターミナル36番ゲートに到着する予定です。Dear passengers, we have landed at Naha Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Take care when opening the overhead compartment as luggage will fall out. From now on, you can use electronic devices like radio waves. However, please refrain from talking on cell phones out of consideration for other passengers. This flight will be arriving at gate number 36. Thank you for flying with ANA and our Star Alliance partner. We look forward to seeing you again.